welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Cloth and Paper December stationery box, and I'm super excited to show you guys because December's box was completely personalized, so let's get right into it. You get your little welcome card, which is really nice to just punch right into your planner and kind of acts as like a writing board or a dashboard. Super cute. And then the back has some information. This box absolutely blew me away. Everything is so functional and unique and high-end. So I'm going to show you guys everything that was included. The first thing is this monogram set of personalized desk cards, which is such a good idea. Everyone should have a set of personalized cards that they can send out to people. So I'm so glad that they included these in this month's box. Even the packaging is personalized for each person, which is amazing. Each card is matte black with your initials and has little white specks on it, and it's this really cool material. These are definitely a high-end like greeting card or thank you card. These are absolutely beautiful and very chic. I love that they just kept it black and white on brand with Cloth and Paper. Inside is completely blank, which is awesome, so you can use this for whatever you want. If you want to send a thank you card, a follow-up card, if you want to use these for work or holidays, these are absolutely perfect. So you get 8 cards with 8 envelopes, and then you also get a set of personalized initial stickers to seal your envelopes. And next we got these adorable teardrop paper clips, which I absolutely love. I love the quality of these. I've purchased these before from Cloth and Paper and they're just absolutely amazing. I love that they're different than just a regular old paper clip, but they're still really chic and classy and perfect for professional use. And then there's also a stack of appointment cards included. It has a spot for the date, time, where, who, and why. And this is awesome for your planner or just desk use. I love that this set is perfect for both your desk and your planners because most of us do our planning at our desks, but it's also nice to carry these out with you. They're definitely more chic than the appointment cards you get at the doctor or the dentist. These are super cute. The next thing is this little set of dividers, which this is such a cool idea, you guys. They're actually sticky notes. They are white with gold foil and they read priority, to buy, to do, read, and call. This is what the priority ones look like, and they're just tabbed sticky notes, so you can either stick them on the top of your page and have a sticky note at the top, on the side, however you want to do it. But these are just super cool. I love this idea. I've never seen a product like this before. Definitely one of a kind. And then the last paper product that we all got was this amazing notepad. You guys have heard me talk about my love for notepads and having something at my desk readily available to jot down any notes if I'm on a call or something. So I love that this is a perfect notepad for that. It has today, the date, and 13 little checklist circles. This side is completely open. You could do a checklist over here or just write down your plans for the day. And there is a ton of sheets. So this is definitely going to be put to good use. And we also got 2 pens, which is awesome. If you're not subbed to the Penspiration Box, every month you get 5 to 7 brand new, really cool, unique pens. And they included 2 very similar pens to what you'd get in the Penspiration Box in the Stationery Box, which is really cool. You get a little taste of the Penspiration Box. So these pens both came in these really cute transparent pouches. Here's the first one. It's very sleek and shiny, very pretty and professional. This pen has a really good feel. It has this nice little grip right here. And it's super sleek and thin, so it can fit in almost any pen loop. Perfect for an on your desk or everyday carry pen. And then here's the next one. It's a ultra simple black pen. I'm assuming this is gel ink. And it is a 0.5 tip. This one also has a really smooth gliding feel when you write with it, and it has this nice grip. This is definitely perfect for an on your desk, everyday use pen. They both are gel pens, and I believe they're both 0.5 millimeter points. So you have that nice, thick, dark gliding ink, which I love in a pen. This was definitely one of my top 3 Cloth and Paper subscription boxes. I love the fact that it was personalized. I don't know how they managed to personalize one for everybody, but I really appreciate the thought and the effort that goes into making these boxes. All the different products that were chosen and created for this box are just absolutely stunning. Like I said before, these are perfect to add to your planning setup or just to your desk. I think supplemental planning is super important. That's one thing that really helps me stay functional, is using notepads and sticky notes and other things to help me really maximize my planning. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope all of you enjoyed your stationery boxes as much as I did. I was just completely blown away by the December box. You can use the hashtag cloth and paper trail to share your photos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.